Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Patron Tequila is probably one of the most iconic and recognizable tequila brands globally, famed for its smooth taste and superior quality, but with a wide variety of expressions available, choosing the perfect Patron Tequila for your palate can feel overwhelming. This video will delve into the diverse range of Patron Tequilas, exploring their unique characteristics, production methods, and ideal drinking occasions, helping you navigate the world of Patron and discover your perfect match. Number 5. Jergrim Tequila Piñata. It's the perfect addition to any celebration. This handcrafted piñata is sure to be a hit with guests of all ages. Made with care and strong materials, it's built to last. Get ready for some fun-filled memories. From birthdays to bachelorette parties, it's ideal for various events. It adds a unique touch to your party theme. It's the right size for easy hanging and moving. Fill it with candy and surprises for an exciting reveal. Made from recycled cardboard and colorful tissue paper, it's a sustainable choice. Enjoy guilt-free fun. We're confident you'll love it. If not, we'll happily give you a full refund. Let's make some memories. What we like. It's a fun and unique party decoration, perfect for adding a festive touch to any celebration. If you're looking for a memorable party activity that's also kind to the planet, this is the perfect choice. It's small and easy to hang, making it ideal for any party size or venue. What people say. Perfect size for an adult party. It wasn't about the candy, it was more decoration than anything, but we did indeed hit it and break it. I got this as a gift for my best friend when she came to see me. It was well made and came as described. I filled it with little tequila bottles and chocolate for her. The size was accurately described and we had a great time watching her try to hit it. It came with a baton to hit it as well, so that was also a nice added bonus. I absolutely loved the way this piñata looked, and it was super strong. It took a lot to break it, we had to rip it. As far as how big it is great for small shot bottles and lots of candy. Number 4. Agave Tequila Decanter Set. This handcrafted decanter set is the perfect addition to any bar. Its unique design and generous size make it ideal for displaying and enjoying your favorite spirits. Impress your guests with this stunning set. The agave-shaped glasses are a conversation starter and a testament to fine craftsmanship. The beautiful agave theme adds a touch of sophistication to your bar. It complements any spirit, from tequila to whiskey. Searching for a special gift. This set is perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or any occasion. It shows you care with its elegant design and thoughtful presentation. It's made from high-quality, lead-free borosilicate glass, ensuring your safety and satisfaction. Enjoy your spirits with confidence. What we like. This set is perfect for elevating your home bar and impressing guests. If you appreciate high-quality, handcrafted barware, this is a must-have. The beautiful agave design makes it a stunning addition to any bar cart, perfect for tequila or other spirits enthusiasts. What people say. The set is extremely delicate and should be handled with much care, but it is beautifully crafted and looks hand-blown and very expensive. This set really looks amazing in person, and the person I gifted it to loves it. Beautiful glass decanter and glasses. The little hand-blown agaves inside are amazing. Number 3. Patron Speed Pourer Spout. Say goodbye to messy pours. This innovative spout ensures a smooth, controlled flow every time. It's crafted with pride and precision right here in the United States, guaranteeing superior quality. Experience a flawless pour without the frustration of drips or spills. It's designed for a perfect pour, every time. Its unique design allows for a consistent and controlled flow, perfect for busy bars or home bartenders. Elevate your cocktail game with this essential bar tool. It makes creating perfect drinks simple and efficient. This clear spout not only functions flawlessly but also adds a touch of elegance to your bar setup. What we like. This pourer ensures a perfect, consistent pour every time, preventing spills and messes. If you're a bartender or home enthusiast who values precision and quality, this is the ideal tool. It's made in the USA, guaranteeing high-quality materials and craftsmanship. What people say. Great pour spout. Fits the half-gallon 175 milliliters jugs perfectly. I bought 3 to try. I can say they work great on Patron bottles. These are being used in a commercial bar. These will help with pouring shots from a Patron bottle and eliminate spilling and waste. Very good quality and built in the good old USA. Pour spots are definitely a must to have good control of pours of your favorite liquors, and this pour spot by Ameripour is a must-have for those large openings like Patron Tequila, and also works on Kirkland brand, Costco, large bottle openings. I bartend on the weekends and finding large speed pourers can be a challenge, and this brand is all good. Easy to clean too. Number 2. Tequila Making Kit. It lets you make tequila exactly how you want it. Experiment with different wood chips and botanicals to create your perfect flavor profile. Simply add alcohol, wood chips, and botanicals. Then, filter and enjoy your unique creation in just a few weeks. Everything you need is here: bottles, wood chips, botanicals, a filter, labels, shot glasses, and instructions. It's ready to use right out of the box. Infuse your tequila with various blends and botanicals to create exciting and delicious new flavors. The possibilities are endless. Surprise someone special with this unique and personalized gift. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. What we like. Create your own unique tequila blends with this fun and easy-to-use kit. If you enjoy experimenting with flavors and creating personalized gifts, this is a perfect choice. It includes everything you need to get started, making it a convenient and thoughtful gift. What people say. The kit itself is packaged well and comes with everything needed to dive right in: bottles, wood chips, and clear instructions that make the process approachable, even for beginners. The aroma packs made it like a fun science experiment. The flavors are a wonderful addition to a whiskey drink and the process is fun. Number 1. PR 2862 Tequila Bottle Cutter. This versatile cookie cutter is perfect for baking delicious treats. It's also great for making fun sandwiches or engaging in creative play. Use it to make sugar cookies, sandwiches, or even for arts and crafts projects. The possibilities are endless. It's made with pride in the USA from a food-safe plastic, ensuring quality and safety. Simply coat the cutter and dough with flour, apply even pressure, and recoat before each use for perfect results. Hand wash it gently in warm, soapy water. It's not dishwasher or oven safe, so remember to hand wash only. With dimensions of 258 by 4 by 58 inches, it's the ideal size for a variety of uses. What we like. This versatile cookie cutter is great for baking, playing, or crafting. If you're looking for a fun and functional tool made in the USA, this is a great option. Its food-safe plastic makes it safe for use with food and children's activities. What people say. Pictured as described. Work to make my Patron cookies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.